This is Solomon. I'm here to explain my eighth and ninth experiment. So my eighth experiment is a page replacement algorithm. So let's go for first. Let's go for FIFO. So that is first in first out. So this is the first program, FIFO, first in first out. Let me go to the code and show you. So I'm using PyCharm. So this is the FIFO. So normally first we use print to enter the numbers. So capacity equal to int of input. So we need to enter the capacity, whatever the capacity, 3, 5, 10. Okay. Now f will be the my integer. So let's whatever we can take. So f and miss top and temp. So that is equals to empty set. So 0 comma 0 comma no. So print enter the reference string. So we need to enter the reference string. So all the string we will enter here. So that will be ended here. So s equal to list of map int. So input of strip on split. So whatever we enter, so if it is continuous, we need to enter it separately. Then it will be splitted, and this will be taking an individual input from the list. So for I in s, okay, s is nothing but the first letter of the string what we enter. If I is not f, okay, that is nothing but if this is not present in f, okay, if length of f is less than capacity. So if the length of f, that is nothing but this length is less than the capacity, f dot append of I, so first letter will be taken. So else f dot top equal to I, top equal to top plus 1 and percentage capacity. So next time we will be printing all the numbers. So a print string of missing and a string of length of s minus miss and page fault is string of miss. So let me execute this code and show you how this runs. So I'll show you the same example as I have done in my word ppt so that you can understand it clearly. So here I'll be giving 3 and these numbers. So let me give 3 and correspondingly I'll give these numbers so that it will be easy to explain. Okay, now let's go to the PyCharm. Okay, I'll give the frame size as 3. Okay, now let me give the string as 7 0 1 2 0 3 0 4 and 2 and 3 again 0 3 2 1 2 0 1 7. Now if I give, this will be taken and 13 is missing. Okay, so 30 numbers are there here. So in that, number of hits is 5. So 5 will be hitting 1 2 3 4 5. So the 1 2 3 4 5. So the number of faults equal to 13. All these are become the faults and missing is 13 and hit is 5 will be hitting to that number and the rest is missing. So next let's go to the next code. So that is LRU, least recently used. So whatever it is used recently, that will be taken. So for that the code is almost similar. So left capacity f dot append and here this will change. Here we have given it as, you can see here, I'm sorry. So yeah, almost the code is same. So you can see here list dot append length of f minus 1, here it is taken, here it is not taken as list dot append. Okay, here it is taken list dot append left of f minus length of f minus 1 and here int of that equal to lst dot pop of 0 and list dot append dot 1 missing of plus. So let me run the code. You can see this similar output, not the same output. Okay, sure. Yeah, okay, I'm sorry, here I need to give it 3 Okay, let me give you the code here. 7. Okay, so you can see here 12 is missing, number of hits is 6, and number of pages of fault is 12. And now let's go to the optimal. So for optimal, you can see here, from here itself it start s equal to length of mapping of int. This is almost similar for everything. So for I in range of a length of s minus, so if s of I is not in f, then the length is capacity. It is similar here. From here you can see for x in range of a length of f, if f of x not in s, that is I plus 1, then f of x is equals to s of I. Break else occupants of x is equals to s of I plus 1, that is index. So else f of occupations dot occupation, its occurrence, it's an occurrence here dot index of max of occurrence is equals to s of I. So print of n number of this is similar to give it same. So first let me copy this. Occupation is word. So let me run this code. So number of frames is 3, you can see here, and this will be 999. It will be hitting 9, it will miss 9, and it will fall 9. So I hope you understood. That's all in this video.